Good morning, all my wonderful friends. Mr. Nuts here from Mr. Nuts' House Little Trees. Beautiful Sunday morning in the FNQ. Sun's just come up. Everyone's still asleep. I can hear all the birds singing in the rainforest. It's my favourite time of day. Now, what have we got here today? We've got a Garcinia Livingstone. It's an Imbe. Now, this is a little fruit tree. It takes a long time to grow. Grows to about 5 metres if you're lucky. But it has this beautiful little fruit. And it's orange in colour when it's ripe, and it tasted a bit like an apricot. Now you can see, as I bought this guy, he's on a trellis. But if he wasn't on that trellis, he'd start to grow over, start to cascade. So what we're going to do today, we're going to put him in a cascade pot. Beautiful pot I picked up from my friends at Limberloss. Isn't he lovely? Now, I got talking to an old farmer, and he started giving me some good advice about growing and planting things. And there's an old trick up here in far north Queensland. I've put my mesh in and my drainage stones as usual, and I'm going to put my bonsai soil and my permalite like I normally do in. But I'm also going to put an egg in, and we'll put that in there. We don't break it, we just leave it as it is. Now what will happen over time, the root systems will grow and crack into that egg. And I said to him, how will I know when it's working? He said, you just watch your tree turn into Arnold Schwarzenegger. He said, there's that much nutrients and goodness in that egg that it's going to make a big difference. So we're going to experiment with this one, probably come back with a picture in 6 months and see how we went. Well, what an interesting idea. I'm going to keep moving on this morning, have a quick spin round the garden. Everything's looking really green, we've had a lot of rain, and we've got a lot more to come. Well, keep potting, keep mixing, and have an absolutely wonderful Sunday. Bye-bye.